I'd like to welcome our chief guest, Professor Lutful Hassan, Vice Chancellor of Bangladesh Agricultural University, and our special guest, Mahbub Haq, the Director General of Department of Fisheries. Thanks also to Chris Price, Regional Director South Asia for World Fish, Professor M.A. Salam, President of the BAU Teachers Association, our Chair, Professor Abul Mansur from Bangladesh Agricultural University, and also to all the representatives from Department of Fisheries, the universities, USA, Bangladesh, BRFRI, FAO, the Farmers Associations, feed companies and the private sector. So thank you all very much for coming today.
আমি সবসময় খুব খুশি থাকি I'm very happy to be here. And let me give you a quick introduction about the survey methods that were used for the project that we are talking about.
And machine learning estimates of the total farm area similar to the DOF statistics. That is the great thing. DOF is doing fantastic job in the field level. And massive contribution to the GDP that is done by the aquaculture, farmers' income, employment generation. These are totally under-documented or not documented. Lower estimates of shrimp production compared to the DOF because it's possibly the reflex of the COVID effect.
Operation, we divided in the 5 categories. Among them, retailer was 30% and other was 23%.
So we have only fish, so farms growing only fish, those account for 39% of the total. Farms growing fish, shrimp and prawn account for 29%. Farms growing fish and prawn, 23%. And farms growing fish and shrimp, 9%. Average production is about 3.3 tons per hectare. Productivity is highest for fish-only farms, as you would expect, about 4.8 tons per hectare.
Is it mean mobile or computer or other any machines? What technique you have applied or used in this technique? So this is my question. I hope you can answer.
This is wonderful job this collaborative program has brought in front of us.
The presentations under one project, I can compare with the multi-layers. I've got a man of GIS. The GIS Pandit is beside me. Actually, I was very inspired from the 2002 seeing his works.
On the ground, within the lifetime of the project, the capacity that was built within the Department of Fisheries and within some of the universities during the late 80s, the 90s, has had an enormous impact on the way that fisheries has developed in Bangladesh.
And special guest Mr. Christopher Price, Regional Directors.
I am thanking the organizers, particularly Dr. Mohammad Mahfuzul Haq Nippon, Department of Aquaculture, and USAID project, Feed the Future project funded by USAID Innovation Lab for Fish. Thanks to all for attending this important workshop. Thank you very much.
I think it will help, especially the Department of Fisheries, to change the thinking, to change the thought of data collection and survey. So thank you for this intervention.
That we need to do the collaboration following the government agenda, so that there is a real boost in production. Particularly the production is dealt by aquaculture. For example, the production side in agriculture is dealt by agronomy and horticulture. These are the two disciplines. They are held responsible for making this transformation in agricultural production. Now then the fisheries production, aquaculture is responsible for making a transformation over here. So this is very, very important.